Want to manage the OBS Studio system tray icon? I'll show you how to enable or disable it and customize its behavior with ease. Launch the OBS Studio application on your computer. In the bottom right corner, under the Control section, click Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the System Tray section. Check the box labeled Enable System Tray icon if you want the OBS icon to appear in the system tray. To further customize, enable Minimize to System Tray when started to send OBS to the tray on startup. Enable Always Minimize to System Tray to hide OBS from the taskbar when minimized. Click Apply, and then OK to save your settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.